Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best pant patches is probably one of the most versatile and essential accessories for anyone looking to extend the life of their favorite trousers, whether they're dealing with everyday wear and tear, accidental rips, or simply want to add a unique decorative touch. These innovative iron-on patches offer a quick, easy, and durable solution for repairing and reinforcing fabric, making them a must-have for DIY enthusiasts, fashion-forward individuals, and practical problem solvers alike, ensuring your garments look great and last longer with minimal effort. Number 5. ZEFFFKA Denim Iron-On Patches. Introducing our premium iron-on denim patches, designed for effortless repair and decoration. They are perfect for covering up holes and tears, giving your favorite jeans a new lease on life. Each patch measures 3 by 4 to 1/4 inches, an ideal size to conceal both small and large imperfections. You'll have enough material to get creative and design your own unique look. These patches come in 4 distinct shades of blue, ensuring a perfect match for all your denim apparel. Coordinate them with your existing wardrobe for a seamless finish. Crafted from 100% cotton on the front, they offer a comfortable feel and a natural look. They are made in the EU with high-quality materials for lasting durability. The back is coated with the strongest hot melt adhesive, ensuring a secure and long-lasting bond with just a simple iron-on application. They are built to last. This kit includes 12 versatile iron-on patches, providing ample supply for multiple repairs or creative projects. Get ready to refresh your denim collection. What we like. This pack offers a good variety of blue shades for matching your denim. If you need a decent quantity for various repairs or a few projects, these are a solid choice. They are made in the EU, suggesting a focus on quality materials. What people say. These patches are a lifesaver for reinforcing worn-out knees on jeans. They are easy to iron on and stay put after multiple washes. The fabric is durable and blends well with the original denim. Number 4. HTVRONT Iron-On Patches for Clothes. Tired of your favorite jeans wearing out too quickly? These patches are designed to easily fix holes and tears, especially in high-wear areas. No sewing is needed, just iron them on in seconds for a fast and effective clothing repair. Crafted from high-quality cotton, these patches are soft and skin-friendly. They are thick enough for both inside and outside use, blending seamlessly with your clothes for comfortable wear. Featuring upgraded hot melt adhesive, these patches bond firmly to fabric after ironing. Enjoy permanent repairs that won't peel or fade, even after multiple washes and drying cycles. Simply peel, place, and iron for a quick repair. The flexible material can be easily cut into any shape or size, allowing for customized repairs and creative DIY projects. Each pack contains 20 patches in a perfect size to cover common wear and tear. Available in classic denim colors, they ensure a natural repair effect that's almost undetectable. These patches are great for more than just jeans. They can mend jackets, backpacks, and other cotton fabrics. We also offer reliable customer service to assist you with any questions. What we like. If you're looking for maximum value and a strong, long-lasting bond, this option is excellent. With 20 patches and a super adhesive, it's perfect for frequent repairs or reinforcing high-wear areas like inner thighs on jeans. They are also very easy to customize to any shape you need. What people say. These patches are a lifesaver for reinforcing worn-out knees on kids' pants. They are easy to iron on and stay put through multiple washes. The fabric is durable and blends well with most pant materials. Number 3. ZEFFFKA Premium Fabric Iron-On Patches. Introducing our premium quality fabric iron-on patches, designed for both repair and decoration. Each patch is made from 100% cotton on the front with a strong adhesive on the back. Applying these patches is incredibly simple and only requires an iron. Just preheat your iron, place the patch, and iron with pressure for 60 seconds. No sewing or extra glue is needed thanks to the durable hot melt adhesive. You can apply these patches to the outside of your garments for visible repairs or decoration. Alternatively, apply them from the inside, and the shiny adhesive will subtly show through holes, eventually blending in after washing. Once applied, these patches are fully machine washable and can even be tumble dried on high heat. If a patch starts to lift, you can simply re-iron it, and they can be reapplied multiple times. These patches are a fantastic money saver, perfect for repairing common wear and tear on areas like knees and elbows. They can also be used preventatively to extend the life of your favorite clothes and other fabric items. With a generous size of 3 by 4 to 1/4 inches, these black patches are ideal for covering both small and large holes. You can easily cut them to your desired shape or size for a custom fit on various items. What we like. For discreet repairs on black garments or for a clean, uniform look, this black patch kit is ideal. It's highly durable, machine washable, and can even be re-ironed if needed, making it a cost-effective solution for extending the life of many clothing items and even other fabric items. What people say. The patches are a good size and easy to cut. They stick well and hold up through the wash. Number 2. ZEFFFKA Premium Fabric Iron-On Patches Kit. Introducing the ZEFFFKA Premium Quality Fabric Iron-On Patches. This 14-piece kit offers the strongest glue for a durable repair and decoration solution for your fabrics. Each patch measures 3 by 4 to 1/4, perfect for concealing both small and large holes. The assorted colors ensure a perfect match for all your different clothing items. Applying these patches is incredibly easy. Simply preheat your iron, place the patch, and iron with pressure for 60 seconds. No sewing or extra glue needed. You can apply them to the outside for visible decoration or to the inside for a hidden repair. The strong hot melt adhesive ensures they stay put. Once applied, these patches are machine washable and can even be tumble dried. They are designed to last and can be re-ironed multiple times. Use them to repair tears in knees, elbows, or pockets, or apply them preventatively to extend the life of your garments. They work on pants, jackets, sheets, and more. What we like. If you need a variety of colors to match different garments and want the flexibility to repair from the inside or outside, this pack is a great pick. The assorted colors ensure a better match for diverse clothing, and the dual application method offers versatile mending solutions. What people say. These patches are a lifesaver for reinforcing worn-out knees on kids' pants. They are easy to cut and apply with an iron, and they hold up well through washes. The fabric is durable and flexible, allowing for comfortable movement without feeling stiff. Number 1. ZEFFFKA Premium Fabric Iron-On Patches. Introducing ZEFFFKA Premium Iron-On Patches, your ultimate solution for fabric repair and decoration. These high-quality patches are designed for durability and ease of use. Each patch measures 3 by 4 to 1/4 inches, perfect for covering both small and large imperfections. You can even cut them to your desired shape for a custom look. Applying these patches is a breeze. Simply preheat your iron, place the patch on the desired spot, and iron with pressure for 60 seconds. No sewing or extra glue needed. Once applied, these patches are machine washable and can withstand high temperatures. They are built to last, and can even be re-ironed if they start to lift. Use them to repair worn areas like knees and elbows, or apply them preventatively to extend the life of your favorite clothing and other fabric items. Available in shades of brown, beige, and khaki, these 100% cotton patches blend seamlessly with your wardrobe. They are made in the EU with premium materials. What we like. If your wardrobe features a lot of earth tones or you prefer a subtle repair, this kit with brown and beige shades is perfect. It boasts the strongest glue for a reliable hold and is suitable for both inside and outside applications, making it a great choice for reinforcing and repairing items in these color families. What people say. The patches are a good size and easy to cut to the desired shape. They stick well and hold up through washing and drying. The iron-on adhesive is strong and creates a durable bond. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.